Raptor makes everything simple to make everything tough. I'd recommend to anybody that wants to toughen their gear to definitely use this roll-on kit from Raptor.
It's perfect for the DIY guy. You mix it, you shake it, you can spray it on, you can roll it on. I won't use any other product.
I use Raptor 2K on everything, like wheels and rims. No need for a large air compressor or specialized tools. No matter your project, no mess, no cleanup.
I recommend Raptor 1K for anybody who wants spray-on tough. These aerosols adhere to almost everything, like metal, plastic, aluminum, fiberglass, and wood. From Nerf bars to running boards to mailboxes, Raptor covers it all.
Trees, stumps, docks, and rocks all can ruin your day. Luckily, we have Raptor Fiberglass Repair. With Raptor Fiberglass Repair Kit, there is no itch, there is no mess. Raptor, the king of tough.
If you're looking to toughen your truck bed, this roll-on kit from Raptor is the #1 choice.
It's the barrier that removes all boundaries.
Raptor, making DIY tough, simple.